Okay, so we just arrived to our apartment in Rome, and so far we love this place. Okay, so here's our living space here. It's pretty big size for Rome. There's even an elevator to help us with our luggage. We got our kitchen here, fully stocked, everything we need to live. We got one bedroom on this side, king size bed. We got our bathroom here and another bedroom. Our living room area again, TV, dining room. But check out that view. What is that out there, huh? What is that? What did you get?
Berry and lemon.
Ooh, that looks like a winner. Okay, so it's our second day in Rome and we were just resting all day because Brody's not feeling well. But we did get some pizza. Has really good reviews over here. Pizza della Madonna dei Monti. So we're gonna get some pizza. Then we're gonna walk to the Forum and maybe do a little bit of shopping. We got some diavola and one of their special ones. And of course the margarita for the kids.
That one.
This one's the bomb. And it's so yummy. The pizza was so good, and now we're gonna walk through the Forum. Wow, it looks so much bigger from the ground. Don't walk in the lava, guys. Don't touch the lava. Okay, so it's early morning and we got a driver and our first stop is the Trevi Fountain. Who's that guy up there? What's his name? Yeah, it's Aquaman's daddy. We're by the Spanish Steps right now. It must be coming up here on the right. And then after this, we're gonna go to the Children's Museum, Explora. Okay, so here's the Spanish Steps. Okay, here we are at Explora Children's Museum. It's in Rome. A really cute area. The kids are gonna love it. Wow, what an awesome place. Whoa! Yay! Keep on going, Brody. Press the button. Wow! Go up. Where's Brody? I see you. Wow! Change a baby's diaper. Okay, so we're here a little bit early. We're at St. Peter's Square in Rome, the Vatican. And there's San Pietro Basilica behind us. It's pretty early, not much people around. There's Brody chasing the pigeons. Pietro's Basilica. I've never seen it so empty. Okay, so we just arrived to the Rome Zoo, Roma de Parco, I think it's called. And it is €16 for adults and €13 for children under 1 meter. I want to see. Oh, yes, I see all the bees in there. Wow.
Rabbit, hamsters,
So cute.
and a bird, a pigeon. They're all friends.
Scratching his tummy.
God, you got a monkey. The perfect view.
And the other one's eating. I see them come here, guys. They're jumping and having fun in there. Oh, they want to check us out, I think. Oh, look, they're up there. Oh, look, there's so many here looking at us. There's a whole bunch of monkeys under here. Oh, I see the baby monkey. Where'd it go? Oh, there he is. That must be the grandma monkey next to it. Here you go. What do you see in there? See anything? Mr. Tiger. Look at that neck. Beautiful red birds. Wow, they have a lot of them too. Wow, look at that guy's tail.
What the hell?
He found something in there. He's a doggy.
Where are we, kids?
The Colosseum.
Yep.
Okay, we're going out in the Colosseum, second floor. You're the pretty view. But yeah, look in the background. Isn't that pretty? Look, there's also the moon.
How'd you like today, Almond?
Cool. And we got this Colosseum, but
Yeah,
where is it? Where is it?
it's down there.
Best day ever!
So we're here out early in the morning, a little bit later than usual. It's 8:30 a.m.
If you see a picture,
Pretty empty.
say it.
We made it to the Roman Forum. Ever since we booked that hotel room with the Colosseum, I was imagining us walking down the Roman Forum, and we're finally here. We're here again because it was so delicious. Best crunchy amarena. Who's a happy kid? Oh my goodness. Look how busy it is, guys. It's so crazy. Here is our second Rome apartment. This is the main living room. There's two sofas, one's a sofa bed. There's our little kitchen. And here's like a closet and powder room. Here is the master, and there's a laundry room in that back door. And the master bath. But I just wanted to show you what this place is like. Beautiful roundabout, Piazza Venezia, with that huge awesome monument. Beautiful. Yeah, we get to check out inside. Peekaboo. Oh, the bats are really cute. Wow, yeah, these are real. Yes, when they fight in a big battle.
Look at these big shields.
Look at this guy. This one looks funny. This one looks pretty good for shade. Wow. Thumbs up. Live, live, live. Okay, so we're on our way to the airport. We're gonna go back home. Are you gonna miss Rome? Are you gonna miss Italy? Yeah. Bye-bye, we're gonna miss Italy. We'll be back. We're on the airplane now.
Oh.